guess what time it is? It is time to pick the winner. I put up a giveaway 2 weeks ago, August 21st, and it was for this beautiful SUNGLIFE vacuum sealer that you will be able to vacuum seal those bags and keep your vegetables fresh for a long time. I did put it up 2 weeks ago, so this way you guys had a chance to put your name, and all you had to do was comment under the video. Let me just press record here, so this way you get to see everything I do live. You had a chance to put your name under the video, and this way you got a chance to be part of this giveaway. And today is the 6th, so you had up to September 5th, guys, to put your name. So what I have to do right now is, because I'm using a random picker, I am going to copy this URL, and I am going to go right here. It's a comment picker for YouTube, and I'm going to put that address right there. And when I press this, it's going to tell me how many unique commenters commented under this video. So here we go, guys. And it shows me that I have 54 unique commenters that commented. It wasn't much this time around, but guess what, guys? That only means that you have a bigger chance to win. So I am going to press start, and it's going to give me the name of the winner. And the winner is going to be Steven Scott. Thank you for everything you do, Connie. I love your channel. Well, guess what, Steven? You are the winner of this vacuum sealer. So I'm going to say congratulations to you. And all you have to do is message me. And if you go right under the video, there we go. If you go right under the video, under description, I'll show more right there. This is where the description is. If you go there, you're going to find 2 of my addresses right there, where you can email me privately your address so I can send you your gift. So I'm going to say congratulations again, Steven, and guess what, guys? Don't get discouraged. If you haven't had a chance to win, there's going to be more giveaways. And good luck, Steven. Don't forget, message me that information so I can send it out to you. And SUNGLIFE, I'm going to say thank you again for allowing me to be the one to do a review on your beautiful vacuum sealer. It works fantastic. And I'm going to say thank you also for giving that second one as a giveaway. So congratulations again, Steven. And guess what, guys? I'm going to see you in my next video.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.